Hey, picture perfect people, I hope that you're having a picture perfect day. We are into fall officially based on the calendar instead of just what we're in the mood for, so that is great news. It still is hot, and we are on track to have wrapped up with one of the driest Septembers in recorded history. So it's not a traditional beginning to fall, but it is still the beginning to fall. So I want to break down for you what you can expect for this October in terms of the things that are going to be happening in your lawn, as well as what Picture Perfect has in store. So let's get into what's next for October 2019. If you're a Picture Perfect client checking out this video through our newsletter, be sure to take the chance to subscribe to our YouTube channel following the link just below this video. It is valuable just to keep in touch with us in terms of what's going on season to season, week to week, day to day in terms of our company, as well as what you should be looking for in your lawn. So it's really something that I encourage just to make sure that you can stay in that loop. So at this point, we are in the middle of aeration seeding. The September aeration seedings that we've done should see the grass seed starting to germinate. With how hot and dry it's been, it's a really important thing more than ever to be watering that baby grass and watering that seed. So if you've had your aeration seeding done at this point, please be sure to follow the aftercare instructions that we left for you. If you haven't gotten your aeration seeding service from us yet, but you are on the list, then it is coming up soon. It's definitely not too late, especially with how warm it's been. We're still in that bell curve, that window of what the ideal time for aeration seeding is. We're smack dab in the middle of it. But at this point, we are anticipating having aeration seeding done completely within the end of October. So it's coming up over the next few weeks. We're gonna be wrapping things up. So stay posted. If you haven't gotten a call for aeration seeding yet, then you will be getting one soon. Once we finish up aeration and seeding around the end of October, we're going to be moving directly into fertilizer applications for that final winterizing fertilizer of the season. We'll still have one more application between then and the end of the year, an application of maintenance lime for everybody who's on the program for that. So if you have any questions about the services that we have left for 2019 or how they're going to transition into 2020, be sure to let me know. Where maintenance services are concerned, we will be continuing mowing through October. The leaves are starting to drop, but typically there's that overlap between mowing season and leaf season. Over the next few weeks on our YouTube channel, we will be moving into fall related topics that aren't related to aeration and seeding. I know, about time. So we are going to be talking about leaves and what the best way to remove them from the lawn is, as well as different colors that you might see in your lawn and several other things. So stay posted for that. Biggest and best is that October, in the middle of October, is when our company, our team, Jimmy, Lisa, Brandon, and I are going to the GIE, the expo in Kentucky that has a ton of resources for the entire outdoor landscaping fertilizer industry as a whole. So we're really excited about that. Jimmy, Lisa, and Brandon have gone every year. This is my first year getting to go, so there's going to be a huge video relating to that, and we're really excited to see a lot of our friends and colleagues. So, quick and easy, that's pretty much what's going on in October. There isn't anything that's really different because we're still underway on aeration seeding, but we are wrapping that up finally as we get into finally some chillier weather. It's been hot, it's gonna get better. What goes up must come down. So I appreciate your patience with the weather and everything that it's impacting in terms of your services. If you have any questions, like I said, be sure to let me know. For my viewers at home that aren't Picture Perfect clients, be sure to comment below and keep me up to date on how your aeration and seeding is going. I always appreciate hearing from you guys, and I hope that you have a Picture Perfect day, a great end to your September, and a great beginning to October. We'll talk to you later.